Packing up boxes and throwing out old memories. Oh, something about this just doesn't sit quite right with me. Oh, we were just kids when we moved in. So much has changed since then. I know that I should be happy, but I just feel hollow again. Just like an empty apartment filled with old ghosts. Nothing turned out like we thought it was likely to go. Ooh, everything's gone and it's crystal clear. It's time to move on, but my heart is still here in this empty apartment. I guess somebody new will replace me and you in here soon. Oh, I wonder if they'll feel the music we felt in this room. Oh, just this piano's all that's left. Echoes of love songs play in my head. They spin around and around and the cycle starts over. Just like an empty apartment